Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make a cool rules channel in Discord. Creating a cool rules channel in Discord is a great way to ensure new members understand the guidelines while making your server look visually appealing and organized. Here's how to create one. Open your Discord, then go to your server. Click on the plus icon next to the text channels. Name the channel something like #rules or something creative that fits your server's theme. Set the channel to text and toggle private channel if you want early admins and mods to edit it. You can add the luck emoji in the name to signal that it's a read-only channel if you preferred. Now hit next, then hit skip. Go to the channel settings, then navigate the permissions tab, expand the advanced permissions. Under roles members, choose everyone and turn off the ability to send messages by toggling the message to disabled. This ensures only server admins or moderators can edit the rules, while everyone else can read them. Now go to the channel and type out the server's rules. Use the following formatting tips to make them stand out. Bold text. Use asterisks on both sides of the text. Bullet points. Use dash for bullet points. Number list. And this is the example. You can add emojis to your rules to make them more fun and visually engaging. For example, be respectful, no spamming, use the right channels. After typing out your rules, click the three dots, then hit pin the message, then confirm to pin it, so it stays at the top of the channel for ease of reference. Right-click the message, or tap and hold on mobile, and pin message. You can organize the rules channel with the text dividers, and this is the example. These dividers can help separate sections of your rules, such as general behavior rules, channel rules, and special server rules. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.